Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the last puzzle. The last puzzle in this additional of the weekend edition of Saturday, Sunday, June the 22nd, June the 21st. Uh, June the 23rd, 2024. It's today, actually Sunday, June the 23rd. And I've already solved 3 puzzles in this additional, the 3 stars, the 4-star Sudoku, and the binary. So it's time now for the Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In Dutch they call it Saiva block, in Japanese Suguru. And this one will be number 8776. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 13 printed digits. Well, the hard ones, as always, 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one is 13. I don't think it's a 4 stars, maybe a 2 stars or a 1 star. But it's indicated with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. The first question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. Here single box, there single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? Contains the 1 and the 2. Here dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, this box can be a 2. The 2 should be here and the 1 goes there. More dual boxes. Let me check. Nope. Here. Well, here I do not know. Insufficient information right now. So let me mark those 2 boxes, 1 and 2. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, we have a triple box here, but I cannot fill those numbers. Insufficient information right now. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5, okay. More triple boxes? No. How about quadra boxes? I see only 1 quadra box here. Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and a 4. Well, this box can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. And the other numbers could be everywhere. Alright. My next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, the T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2 here. Alright, a 2. But also, that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Okay. Do we have more T shapes? Here, another T shape. So this box has the same number as that box. And that box has the same number as this box. Alright, then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, oh, well, we have a 2 here, so this can't be 2 anymore. This box should be a 1, and that box should be a 2. This box is connected with that box, should be so a 1. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No, only 1. Then the following shape, how about the this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 5 here. Alright. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Yeah, here. Rotate it. This box has the same number as that box. And here another one. This box has the same number as that box. Then the following shape, how about the L shape? Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. The L shape. Only one. Then the following shape. How about this shape? The last shape, I believe. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 3 here. Alright. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize. In this puzzle, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have here only 5. I believe the Z or the S construction is missing here. Anyway, the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These two boxes can be a 4. So one box left for the 4 in this area. Supposed to be here. Then, let me see, these two boxes can be a 1, so one box left for the 1 in this quadra box should be here. And then, let me see, well, this box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Okay. Well. These two boxes can be 4, so the 4 could be here. Could be there. These two boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here. Could be there. Let me see. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3. So 3 could be here. Could be there. Well. These 3 boxes surround the 1. Can be a 1. So the only place left with 1 in this W area shape should be here. These two boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 3, that box can be a 3, so one box left for the 3 in this W area shape should be here. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5 is connected with that box should be so 4 and 5 is connected with this box should be also 4 and 5. Well, this box can be 2, this box can be 1. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So the other pair should be the 4 and the 5 here. Alright. Okay. Interesting. These two boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. That means that we have a double 4 there. That means that this box can't be 4 anymore. This box should be a 5. And that box in the same area should be a 4. Is connected with that box should be also 4. And is also connected with this box should be also a 4. One box left in this W area shape for number 5. I've marked this box with a 4 or a 5. We have a 4 now, so this box should be a 5. 1 and a 2. We have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. These two boxes can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 5 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. These two boxes can be 5. So I've marked those two boxes earlier with 1. We have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. These two boxes can be 5, so one box left for the 5 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. We have 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 3 goes there. Then mark those two boxes earlier with a 3. We have a 3 there, so this can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. These two boxes can be 1. These two boxes can be 2. So the 1 and 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, no 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this W area shape. 4 numbers 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Then these two boxes can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Then, come on. These two boxes can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 4 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely 4. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this L-shaped area, supposed to be here. And I've eliminated here the 2, so the 2 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area. 4 numbers 1 and a 3. 1 and a 3. Let me mark those. These two boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. It's supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 1 and the 3. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here. 3 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be so 1. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area. 4 numbers 3 and 4. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. Mark those two boxes early with 1. We have a 1 there. So this box can be 1 and 1. That box should be a 1. And I've eliminated here the 4. So the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 2 and a 3. 2 and 3. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this quarter box. 4 numbers 2 and a 3. 2 and 3. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 3 goes there. Alright, I think this box should be a 4 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 4. Then let me see. This box can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. Let me see. These two boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Supposed to be there, so 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and a 3. Let me mark those. Need the 1 and 3 there. These two boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Supposed to be here, and I've eliminated here the 3, so the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 1. 1 and a 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 3 goes there. 1 and a 3. We have a 3 now. No 3 there. 3 should be here. No 1 goes there. These two boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this triple box. Supposed to be here. And I've eliminated here the 3. So the 3 goes there. So 1 box left in this triple box for number 1. These two boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this T-shaped area. Supposed to be here. So 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and a 3. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 2 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be so 2. These two boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 5. 1 and a 5. Let me mark those. These two boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and the 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, no 1 goes there. 1 and a 5, we have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here, 5 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be so 5. And I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. Final number in this area for number 2. 30 minutes. Well, told you. Could be a 0 stars. It's definitely a 0 stars because I'm faster than 13 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we'll meet again in the evening with the Samurai Sudoku. So have a great and fantastic Sunday. Until then, bye-bye for now.